friends, welcome to Vale Magical Kids. My name is Vale. Today we are going to learn about the fun and adorable farm animals and their sounds. Cow. The cow says, hen. Chickens. The chicken says, rooster. Horse. The horse says, guess the animal. 3, 2, 1. It's a chicken. Correct. Well done. Sheep. The sheep says, guess the animal by the sound below. Correct. A cow. Goat. The goat says, boo. The bull says,
moo, moo, moo.
Pig. Bunny. The bunny likes to jump in the meadow. The duck. The duck says, great job, superstars! If you had fun learning today, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Vale Magical Kids for more fun learning adventures. See you next time!